Hello students, good afternoon. From today we are going to start with our subject. That one is computer. In this subject up till now, from many years, from first standard you are learning computer till 9th you are learn a computer. So we up till now we have seen many things in computer. We have seen many softwares. We have seen how to do programming in computer. Again we have seen the database, how to use the database, that is MS Access. Last year we have seen how to do the HTML programming, how to do QBasic programming, what is computer, what are its application, what are its characteristics, why computer is needed. So many things we have seen up till now in this subject. Now as you know that every year as you go in a higher class, there is some advancement. You get to see the advancement in this subject. Whatever you have studied last year, from that you see many again new things in new class related to this subject. So what up till now whatever you are learning in this subject was totally basic, was basic things that are done in computer. The basic programming last year you learn in a computer. This year we are going to see some advancing, some advanced programming technologies and many more things. So today as this is our first lecture, so starting with our first lecture, the first chapter of our subject computer is the chapter number 1, that is computer system. I am the same, your teacher Tejaswini Ramaya. The teacher is not changed. Okay, so our first chapter is computer system. In this chapter the topics we are going to study is computer and us, that what is the relation between computer, what is a computer, what is the relation between computer and us, for what computer is used. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to study in this chapter. Then the second point that we will study, the second topic that we will study in this chapter is conversion of technologies. Okay, then next one is what is a computer and functionings of a computer. So these things are there that we are going to study in this chapter. So going with our first point from this chapter, that is computer and us. Okay, so in computer and us, first thing that we will study is that what is the full form of computer. Yes, like web engine, like search engine. The search engine are there, Yahoo, Google, Bing, they are having their full forms. Even many there are many things in our daily industry, that Facebook have its full form, Yahoo have its full form, then Google is having a full form, even our email is having a full form. So there are many full forms used in today's technology. Everything has its own full form. In the same way कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो हैज़ इट्स ओन फुल फॉर्म. कंप्यूटर को भी क्या है, उसका खुद का फुल फॉर्म है. सो गोइंग विद द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज फुल फॉर्म ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. एंड इन बेसिक वी विल स्टडी व्हाट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर. एक टॉपिक भी है आपको व्हाट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर, एंड इनसाइड दिस कंप्यूटर एंड अस we will see the smaller part of a computer, that is what is computer means. We will see the definition of a computer inside this. Okay, so going with in this point computer and us, going with the first point, that is full form of computer. So the full form of computer is, C stands for commonly. Now you know very well that computer nowadays is a commonly used device. Commonly मतलब हर कोई use करता है. Okay, so here in computer word, the first alphabet C stands for commonly. Commonly means everyone uses it. Second one is operated. The second alphabet from the computer word is operated. Operated means we have to operate the computer. We have to operate the computer with what? With the help of mouse, with the help of keyboard. Okay, if there are no mouse, no keyboard, can we operate computer? No. So computer, for what O stands for in computer? The O stands for operated. We have to operate the computer with the help of keyboard and mouse. Now the third alphabet from the word computer, that is M. Now what is M? M stands for machine. Now as we have seen up till now the definition of a computer, क्या होता है definition के अंदर? machine. What is a computer? Is a electronic machine. Up till now we have seen this definition. कंप्यूटर क्या है? एक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे चलने वाला एक मशीन है. अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इसको प्रोवाइड ना की जाए तो क्या आपका कंप्यूटर चलेगा? नहीं चलेगा. ओके, सो कंप्यूटर इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन. So here AM stands for machine. AM stands for machine, means commonly operated machine. Commonly operated machine means हर कोई इस मशीन को यूज़ कर सकता है with the help of external devices, that is keyboard and mouse. Okay, now further going with the next alphabet from the word computer is P. P stands for particular. P stands for particular. Particular means कि क्या है, इसमें जो भी हम फंक्शनिंग करते हैं, जो भी हम वर्किंग करते हैं, वो कहीं मिसप्लेस होती है क्या? नहीं होती. पर्टिकुलर का मीनिंग क्या होता है? दैट कि वो करेक्ट वर्क करता है. क्या करता है? करेक्ट वर्क करता है. ना इधर होता है ना उधर वर्क करता है. इट गिव्स अस द व्हेन एवर वी वर्क इन अ कंप्यूटर. अगर हम कैलकुलेटर ओपन कर रहे हैं या पेंट ओपन कर रहे हैं तो पेंट में क्या होगा? शेप्स वगैरह जैसे हम चाहे वैसे इमेजेस वगैरह आएंगे. ओके, सो पर्टिकुलर जो हम इसको टास्क दें, जैसे वर्ड पे काम करना है तो ये वर्ड की फाइल खोलेगा. एक्सेल पे काम करना है तो एक्सेल की फाइल खोलेगा. सो ये पर्टिकुलर काम करता है. पर्टिकुलर मतलब जो काम हमने बोला कंप्यूटर को वही काम करता है, कोई और काम नहीं करता. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट फ्रॉम द वर्ड कंप्यूटर इज टी. टी, that is technical, not my name. That is T stands for here technical. Okay, so technical here means टेक्निकल. अभी ये टेक्नोलॉजी के बेस्ड है ना कंप्यूटर. हम क्या करते हैं, आपने अभी सुना होगा आरोग्य सेतु ऐप. दैट इज़ द टेक्निकल ऐप. उसके ऊपर क्या बोलते हैं? आरोग्य सेतु ऐप. डाउनलोड द आरोग्य सेतु ऐप एंड चेक वेदर यू आर फ्री फ्रॉम COVID-19 or not. That is told in that. But that software, the Arogya Setu app, is designed in which technology is designed with which technology? That is designed with the help of computer using software. So here in computer word T stands for technical. टेक्निकल मतलब सब कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड होता है. जैसे हमने लास्ट ईयर देखा कि हमने HTML प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज डिज़ाइन की फॉर वेब पेज, फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग द वेब पेज ऑफ अ वेबसाइट. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो डन टेक्निकली किया है हमने उसको अपना दिमाग लगा के. ओके, सो फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स, डिफरेंट एप्स, द computer system is used. So here T stands for technical. Now further, what is there? E means education. Tell me, for learning any of the thing, what you require? If you want to learn history, if you want to learn English, if you want to learn geography, if you want to be master in English language, what you have to do? You have to learn that language. You have to learn those subjects if you want to be a master. In the same way, if you want to learn a computer, what you have to do? What you have to take? You have to take a education. You have to take a education. अगर आपको उसके कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट है हमारा, उसके बारे में कोई जानकारी आपको मिली नहीं होती 8th स्टैंडर्ड तक और डायरेक्ट 9th में आपको कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट दिया होता, तो क्या आप एडुकेटेड रहते ये सब्जेक्ट में? क्या आपको समझ में आता जो भी मैं आज पढ़ा रही हूँ, जो भी मैं आज टीचिंग कर रही हूँ, तो क्या आपको मिला होता, आपको समझ में आया होता दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? नो. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस इन what we require for learning this subject, we require a proper guideline, proper education. Okay, so here in computer word E stands for education. Okay, now next word and the last alphabet from this word is R. The last alphabet from this word is R. That is R stands for research. Now as you know that COVID-19 in the beginning of coronavirus we came to know that supercomputer has detected the symptoms of coronavirus. ये हमें समझ में आया था. अब सुपर कंप्यूटर, वो भी एक कंप्यूटर ही है ना, सुपर है, बड़ा है साइज में, हाई रिजोल्यूशन है उसका, हाई डेफिनेशंस के सिस्टम लगता है, बट इट इज़ अ सुपर कंप्यूटर. जिसने क्या किया, वो भी एक कंप्यूटर ही है, जिसने क्या किया, सिम्टम्स डिटेक्ट किए कोरोना के, दैट हाउ कोरोना इज इन्फेक्टिंग इनसाइड अ पर्सन. ओके, उसने वो डिटेक्ट किए. अभी डिटेक्ट किए मतलब क्या किया, उसके अंदर कोई प्रोग्रामिंग डाली होगी किसी ह्यूमन ने. ओके, सम scientist have embedded some program inside it. With the help of that program, what that computer did, the supercomputer detected the symptoms of coronavirus and coronavirus. So this is the form of research. So the this is the form of research, and computer system or our computer is used for research purpose, is used for research purpose. Okay, researching different things. For that purpose our computer is used. So here the last alphabet R stands for research. Okay, so I hope here that you have understood the full form of computer. Now proceeding further with our second point from computer and us, or we can call it as definition. We can call this as a definition. So now we will learn that what is the definition of a computer. So as you know, I hope that you already know the definition of a computer. The computer so now we will learn the definition. Now we will go with the next point of our chapter. That one is definition of a computer. From our second point, that one is computer and us. In this we will study the second point, that is definition of a computer. Okay, definition of computer. So as you already know, what is the definition of a computer? The computer, as I told you in the first point, that computer is a electronic machine, is a electronic device. Now for what computer is used? Computer is used for many things, for doing many things, for many purpose the computer is used. Like computer is used for storing your data. We store our data in different ways in our computer system. Like we store our data in Word file, in Excel file, in MS Access database. Last year we have learned the new form of database, that is a new form of software, that is MS Access database. So we have learned how to store data in that MS Access database. We can store data with the help of paint file, and many more things are there in which we can with the help of them we can store our data in different ways on our computer system. Like we can store data in tabular format in our Excel file as well. Okay, so again our computer is also used for performing different mathematical operations like division, multiplication, addition, and we can do this calculation using different ways in our computer system. We can do it programmatically as well, as we have seen in QBasic programming language. We can do calculation in our normal Excel sheet as well. We can use the inbuilt software of a computer, that is calculator. With the help of that also we can perform different calculations in our computer system. Okay, so our computer system is used for storing data, is used for performing different mathematical calculations, is used for playing games. You play games on your mobile is also one form of smaller computer. Okay, so it is used for playing games, creating different softwares. As I told you while studying that full form of computer, at that time I told you that Arogya Setu app. So it is a software. So that software is created with the help by using a computer system, by using a computer programming languages. So for creating any of the software like Arogya Setu app, like Aadhaar card app, there is also app for that, like Tally, your MS Access database. So all these softwares you get ready-made, you get them ready-made available on your mobile. Like PUBG game you play, like we see that gallery nowadays. We see that cam scanner, you scan your book pages and you forward to us for checking. Okay, on mobile you forward your homework to us. So how these apps are created, okay, or how these softwares are created. So these softwares are created with the help of computer languages, and the computer languages are used for designing a computer software. Okay, so with the help of computer we can also create a software, and there are many more things that we can do with the help of computer. Okay, now proceeding further with the second point from definition of computer, that is from where the computer word is derived. मतलब क्या? कहाँ से ये कंप्यूटर वर्ड आया है, फ्रॉम वेयर द कंप्यूटर वर्ड केम. ओके, तो कंप्यूटर वर्ड कहाँ से आया ना, कंप्यूटर वर्ड केम फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड, लैटिन लैंग्वेज है ना एक, सॉरी इटालियन, फ्रॉम द इटालियन लैंग्वेज. इटालियन एक लैंग्वेज है ना, इटैली, यू नो ना. सो फ्रॉम देयर द इटालियन, फ्रॉम द इटैलिक लैंग्वेज द वर्ड कंप्यूटर इज डिराइव्ड. लाइक in Italy there was a word called as compute, and that compute means, what does compute means? Compute means to do calculation. In Italic language the word compute means to do calculation. So from there the word is derived, that is a computer. Okay, now what is computer known in a technical terms. अभी कंप्यूटर तो कंप्यूटर हम बुलाते हैं नॉर्मली, कंप्यूटर, but what it is called in technical language. So in technical language or in technical terms, computer is also called as data processor. Now why this is called as data processor? The computer is called as data processor because we can store data. हम इनपुट दे के स्टोर करते हैं ना डेटा इसके अंदर, यू नो दैट वी गिव इनपुट, वी प्रोसेस, आफ्टर दैट द कंप्यूटर प्रोसेस दैट डेटा एंड आफ्टर दैट इट प्रोड्यूसेस द आउटपुट. ओके, सो in technical terms the computer is known as data processor as well. And why it is known as data processor? Because with the help of computer what we can do, we can store data inside a computer with the help of input. After that we can process that data. The data means what? We can the computer, after taking the input, convert it into the computer understandable language, that is machine language में convert करता है. आपको पता है ना, last year we have studied. So computer, whenever we give input to the computer in the form of normal English language, it converts that language into a machine language, and the machine language is in the form of 0 and 1. So computer process the input information given by us in the machine language, and after that we can again retrieve that information. मतलब हमें अगर कोई फाइल हमने सेव करके क्लोज कर दी है तो हम उसे रिटर्न ओपन भी कर सकते हैं, दोबारा ओपन भी कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रिट्राइव मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग द आउटपुट. एज यू नो दैट मॉनिटर इज अ आउटपुट डिवाइस फॉर displaying output. Okay, so computer is also used for retrieving the data. So computer, for what computer can be used? Computer in technical terms is used for storing, processing and retrieving data, means giving input, process that data and produce output. Okay, so here we finished our first point from this chapter, that is computer and us. Further in next period we will see convergence of technologies. So if you have understood this chapter, just ping me on WhatsApp that yes, if you understood, ping me yes, or you can use thumbs so that I will understand whether you are getting everything or not. Okay, and do watch video carefully and study well. Okay, so thank you.